Welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are at the Traxxas Trx4 and the Demon SG4, guys. Little verse off in the wood sort of thing. Social distancing, of course. There's plenty of space for it. Anyway, guys, let's get some footage, stitch it all together. See who wins. Woo woo. Just a little close up then, guys, of these rigs today. So we've got a modded TRX4, got the tray back on the back, all modded out. Looks really, really good. Got some steel wheels on there, plenty of weightage going on. Really nice little rig, ready to go, really. Then we've got the Demon SG4. The batteries I've got are too big at the minute. They normally sit under this tray at the back, but at the minute, which is really bad for it, we've got them sitting across the front seats. Anyway, a few little alley bits, some beadlock rims. Let's go. While we're waiting for the TRX4 to get ready to do some crawling, let's get a bit more action of the SG4. You know, this thing ain't too bad, guys. I'm quite impressed so far. The grip on the tyres is not the best, but that can be changed. I like that back axle, the way it flexes, like so. Oh, that is cool. Oh, also, guys, we were out with my son's FTX Mauler. You know what? Of all the models, though, this thing does keep just going and going and going. Maintenance free as well, to be honest with you. I spray it down with a bit of oily spray and it's ready to hit the trail again every time. Crazy, isn't it? Whoa! Oh, we come down off the hillside now. Looks like we're about to find some mud. We want the mud. See if it's waterproof as well. That's what we want. FTX Mauler following on. Whoop whoop. That Hobby Wing speed control has got a lovely slow crawl to it. Look at that. I do need the brushless axe system, by the way, guys. And I'm so looking forward to getting that battery where it needs to be. Changes the whole carbine on them seats. But them lights as well. Super realistic. And here he is, Charlie, the RC dog. Hello. A bit of steady mudding. Oh, look at these lot. Oh, yeah. That is so cool. Yes. Love the mud. Let's go find some water, because you know me. Water and RCs don't mix, but they should. What are you doing? What are you doing, Charlie? Does it stink? Oh, look at his feet in the mud. Woo! DP488 just found a nice little tidy hill climb to have a little testy out. I'll tell you now, I don't think the SG is going to get over that. That was nice, dude. Oh, I'll take it, yeah. Nice! All that. Here we go. No problemo. Check that out, guys. Oh, proper scaling right there. I'm still going to have to test how good it is at waterproof today. I know I am. Even if I have to carry the thing home. TRX4, smashing it as usual. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm over. Come on, you can do it.
There's another mark in the
Go. Whoa, that was deep as well. What is it? If you get stuck for more than 10 seconds, you're out?
I don't get stuck, I'm a TRX4. Not an SG4.
I'm an SG4 as well. Whoa, this is the good stuff, and it stinks as well. Look, what a shame. The TRX4 is stuck. Oh, the SG4 is just going to pass him on the outside. Oh, what a shame. Making it all into chocolate milkshake. Let's go. See you later, TRX4. SG4 for the win.
Oh, pull me back over, you got the wellies.
Oh.
Hey!
Crap on.
That's what you get for laughing at me.
Oh man! Some of that TRX4 action there. Oh yeah. SG4 joining on. RC Trail Dog. FTX Mauler. A tree. Oh. Oh man, I'm really getting into scale crawling now. Like, how much fun do you want? Look at this. Look at that. Wow. RC dog. Oh yeah. Two hours in. Check this out, guys. Actually, it might even be more than 2 hours. That one battery is still going. And this is thick, gooey stuff. Oh! I think we're stuck. Come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. Oh, that's the battery done. The mud has slowed it right down. Here's the TRX4, give me a little push. Thank you. That battery has had it. Woo! Your wheel, I'm going. There you go. Woo! Yeah, he's tough there, TRX4. Second gear, full throttle. Nah. You helped me out of a sticky spot there. Go on! Go on! Go on, it's making good video footage. Go, go, go. You gotta get off that part. Yeah, yeah. Woohoo! That was awesome. Look at the Mauler, just having fun. What? You are well stuck there, Mauler. Come on. Nah, you are stuck. Look at that stuff. Oh. Check this out for a playground. Oh. TRX4 there. Loving life in the mud. Oh, steel wheels helping drag that through. There is only one way to test how deep that puddle is, and that's to send the TRX4 through first. Here we go. Wow! Up out the other side, come on. Wow! SG4 then, guys. See if them lights are waterproof. There's a lot of circuitry behind them lights as well. Here we go, there's only one way to find out. Oh, can't even get there. We are stuck there. Oh! No, we're not. Ready? Oh! Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm scared. Wow, look at the water, the lights in the water. Whoa! Whoa! FTX Mauler. Not sure how waterproof this one is, but sends it through it no problem at all. And then, guys, all three cars trying to get through the puddle at the same time to get out the other side. It's no race, you just got to get through it. Here we go. Go! Yes! Crawling and water for the win. I'm not joking. May as well come back for another go. Oh, that's deep. That's freaking me out. Flip. Yeah. FTX. Mauler is stuck. Not sure how deep this one is. It looks a lot more dense. Let's just say that. Hopefully we can get through to the other side. Oh.
Hello,
Oh crap.
that's my own friend.
No, we have stopped. We have completely stopped. Let's chuck the remote there. Ah, crap. Please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. Yeah! It just had radio interference, that's all. Because it was too deep. Good little car. SG4 for the win! What a fantastic piece of kit. Well, happy with the way that's performed, guys. It's quickly becoming my new favourite. Woohoo! There you have it, guys. Footage done. Absolutely thoroughly enjoyed it. SG4, I'm pretty impressed, guys. First time out with it, to be honest. TRX4, as per usual, didn't disappoint. But, you know, comment below who you think sort of won the task. We really didn't set anything serious up. TRX4 trying to get a little plug there on, you know, comment below that it's me. But, you know, it might be the Demon, you never know. Or even the FTX and just surprise us all. Anyway, please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.